So if you want to remove your seats on your C33 Laurel or 831 Zafiro and 4-door R32, you might want to start with putting like a screwdriver flathead or something just right here. You pry it right here, and then you pry it as well on the other side. Excuse my struggling situation. There we go. Take this off. So you just gotta pry it on both sides. There's basically clips on right there, I guess you could say. So right there, right there. Then after you get that off, you get a 10mm socket, and there's gonna be 2 bolts, one right here and one on the other side as well. There you go, see it in the 4 corner. So you break that loose. So after you get these 2 off, these 2 10mm, one on each side right there, and the other goes right there. You basically just like push this whole thing up and it should just pop off. So let's, there you go. There you go, you see? Got one end off. Other end, and then it should just come off. Switch on each side, it just literally just pops up. There's 3 hooks that like basically hook onto the back of it. That's how the back part is held on to there. You just push on each side up, comes off, and that's how you take off the back seats. So the bottom piece, you just pry it up. So one, you pry it from here, pry it from there, and then that's how the bottom piece comes off. And then to take off the back piece, you just got to take off 110 right there, and then another 10mm over there. Take those 2 10s off. Then there's 3 hooks on the back of it, so all you got to do is just push it up on each side, and then it just pops off, and that will give you access to your rear what would you call it, headliner board, I guess, for the speakers. You just take off those 5 clips. I already broke one, as you can see, because I've already replaced my speakers, and I'll give you access to that. So yeah, just take off the screws, I guess, for those back covers through the trunk, and then you get some pliers as well, and you push on some tabs that are on the back so the whole board could just push up and you don't break it. And yeah, hopefully this helps, guys.